AI content creation just got a serious upgrade. The best all-in-one AI image, video, and voice platform just got a major facelift, and everything now lives in one dashboard. Artlist has quietly become one of the best all-in-one AI tools for content creation, and in this video, I'll show you how fast AI image and video creation really is with the new Artlist AI Toolkit. Let's check it out. Before we get into the guts of it, let's just do a quick speed through of this platform. For AI content creation, this text-to-image AI workflow is exactly why Artlist feels like one of the best AI image generators right now. You drop in a prompt, pick a model, tweak a setting if you want, hit generate, and boom, high quality visuals in seconds. Now switching gears to AI video creation, this is text to video AI, and you've also got image to video AI sitting right here in the same dashboard as well. Same idea, prompt in, model selected, generate, and suddenly you're looking at motion. And that's why people keep calling this one of the best AI video generator platforms. And to close out this speed through demo, this AI voice generator completes the picture. Text in, choose your options, voice out, clean, natural, and fast. Just have a listen.
Meet the water bottle designed for real life.
This is what an all-in-one AI content creation platform actually looks like when generative AI handles image, video, and voice together for modern AI content creators. So for the rest of this video, I'll show you the major updates Artlist AI has made, the new AI Toolkit interface, plus some exciting tools that are coming up in a later update. To get access to Artlist AI Toolkit, make sure you click the link in the description below or the pinned comment, and then come up to the sign up page here. You actually get extra free credits and maximum discount if you use that link, so check it out. Once logged in, you'll come to the home page where you've got a new button called AI Toolkit, which is broken down into video and image and voiceover. So we're going to do a project promoting a coffee grinder. So we're going to do an image first, and then we're going to turn that image into a video and then create a voiceover for it. For the image section, I'm going to start with text to image and then do a recreation using image to image. I've got a prompt that I created in ChatGPT. I'm going to paste that in. It's a manual coffee grinder. And straight away, what I can do is, after I put in that basic prompt, I can get Artlist to enhance that prompt. There we go. So it's filled out a bit more of the prompt, added in some more detail for the picture. So that's a nice, easy one-click function there. Next thing to do is to select the model, and we've got Nano Banana selected, but just of note, Artlist AI actually has Artlist Original 1.0, which is a model that is trained on their own database of images that have been created over the life of Artlist. Now, the good thing about this is it does only cost 80 credits to use, whereas when you use a premium one like Nano Banana Pro, you're going to be using 400 credits. So Artlist Original 1.0 is a good way to just conserve your credits a little bit. And for this demo, I'll choose Nano Banana Pro, which many consider one of the best text-to-image AI models out there. Then down the bottom, you can see we have options for aspect ratio, which we'll keep. I'll choose 2K for now, just so it actually generates faster. Then I can choose a number of images, 1 to 4. Let's go with 2 for now. I'll click generate, and then I will skip through the generation process. See you in a second. Cool, that's done. And out of the two, I really like this image, except the only problem is that these should be coffee grounds, not full beans. So let's see how we can fix that. I do like in the background how we have the bag of beans and then some stacked coffee mugs in the background. Options with this image include, if you're happy with it, you can upscale and download. You can turn it into a video, recreate it, so just use that prompt again, or edit it. So that's what we're going to do with this one. So once you click edit, it actually turns into image to image mode, and it uses that base image as a reference image. So what we put in the prompt will then change that initial image and hopefully create what we want. And I'm going to get it to turn those beautiful coffee beans into ground coffee. There's the prompt. I'll do 2 images again just to conserve credits. I think that's the best way to do it. If you're doing 4 images each time, you tend to burn through your credits. 1 can definitely be hit and miss, but 2 to 3 is that great middle ground. Okay, I'll submit that and I'll see you in a second. And there we go, we have the result we wanted. Both of these are pretty much exactly the same, so I'll just choose this one and move forwards from there. You can see also we have a brand name written here, which is completely random, but we could have changed the text there if we wanted to as well. Okay, now we're going to move to the video generator side of things. And what we're going to do is do image to video in this situation. For AI content creation promoting products, I'd recommend you get the image first using the image generator, rather than if you just did a text to video prompt, you'd have no idea what the initial base image would be. So this gives you that better control. So from here, I'm going to click the video button and it will automatically change into video mode down the bottom. Here is our reference image, and then we can see we have changed to the AI video generator models, of which we have many choices available. The leading ones are of course Google Veo 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, and Kling 2.6 Pro. In my testing, I've found that Kling 2.6 Pro is better, and for a side-by-side comparison, check out this video here where I test them all out. So selecting Kling 2.6 Pro, for each of the different models we have a series of options that come up. Not all of them have the same options here, and some of those options are summarized in the screen here. It tells you the length of the videos, if you can use a start and end frame or just a start frame. Coming back to Kling 2.6 Pro, you get a choice between 5 and 10 seconds, audio on, off, resolution. You can also put in a negative prompt, so you can write something you don't want to happen in that video. And then you got a guidance scale that actually just chooses how creative it wants to go from your prompt or how tight it actually sticks to your prompt. And I've built this prompt to focus on making sure that the bottom container fills up with coffee at the end. Okay, I've sent that off, and while that's generating, I'll quickly show you what sessions is. Now, if I were to come back to the AI toolkit and choose video and image again, and it just means you can create a new session while you're actually doing other generations in the background. So I could do another text to image or image to video here, or even do a voiceover from here. But whenever you want to have a look at your previous sessions, which is, here's one we did a little bit earlier, you can see that session is active, the water bottle is also there. And then coming back to the coffee grinder session, you can see all the generations we have. And the video is ready, so let's just open that up and see if that worked out. Okay, a little bit of a problem there in that at the very start, it was already running without someone turning the handle. So I probably just need to make an adjustment to the prompt there to get the hand to come in and the coffee not to be grinding until the person's actually using the grinder. The sound effect is also a little bit off. We could probably use a better grinding sound there. But overall, if I were to use this video, I'd take it from about this point here. There we go. You can see that logo is wobbling around a little bit. So you might like to try a different model there for the AI video generation, but for the purposes of this video, we've got a great result from generating the initial image up until getting the video we wanted. Great, let's finish with the AI voice generator, and you can see up the top, we just need to move from the video and image mode into the voiceover mode. So down the bottom here, we can see our prompt, meet the manual coffee grinder, blah, blah, blah. The different modes we have are text-to-speech and speech-to-speech, which is a mode that's coming soon. And similar to with image and video, we have different models to choose from, and 11 Labs is the industry leader when it comes to AI voice generation, in my opinion. So I would choose that one. And then we can choose between languages and accents, as well as we can choose between different languages and accents, as well as stability of the actual prompt. And we can even put in effects such as some of these that are listed here. Up the top is the main area where you can change things. So you get a choice between different sounding voices. You can try them all out. You can filter for different languages, category of what kind of tone you want to have, as well as gender and age. So I've chosen trail here.
Tell your story exactly how you imagine it with a
Okay, that's sounding very good for promoting a coffee grinder.
Tell your story.
That is already selected, and then it's just a matter of hitting generate on that. And the generation is much quicker than that for image or video because it is just handling audio, and bang, there it is straight away.
Meet the manual coffee grinder, built for people who care about the ritual. Precision stainless steel, smooth hand grind, and a clean, timeless design.
And doesn't that just sound completely natural for a product video? Now that we've got the video made and the voiceover, we can put the two together and create ourselves a social media or TikTok video promoting this product. Plus, we've still got those still images we can use as well. Now, when you're looking at pricing, you're getting multiple AI tools for content creation in one subscription, compared to paying separately for an AI image generator, AI video generator, and an AI voice generator. And you can see if you go with the yearly option, you're only paying $14 a month and you get the 16,500 credits, which is plenty to play with per month. Now, with the planned rollout of updates that Artlist has, it's clear that they're investing in long-term generative AI content creation. I mentioned speech-to-speech before, but there's also voice cloning coming out as well. Artlist AI Toolkit is just the beginning. We can expect a lot more from Artlist in 2026, more advanced features, as well as the Artlist Studio, where we can take all these individual components and put them all together to give you the output that you need for your social media channels. So if you're serious about AI content creation, this is one of the strongest platforms available. Remember to use my promo link in the description and pinned comment below for max free credits and special discounts, because Artlist stands out as the best all-in-one platform for AI content creation, combining image, video, and voice. Watch this video next to see the best free AI talking avatar generator in 2026. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you there.